Good morning. My name is Antonio Carbone. I'm National Contact Point at APRE in Italy, and I'm the coordinator of Access2EIC, the NCP network for the current pilot of the European Innovation Council. As you probably know, the EIC pilot currently involve a number of different instruments according to several stages of development and targeting different potential applicants. This is why, as Access2EIC, as NCP network, we are trying to develop a number of services, tools, and products to facilitate the orientation and the application and your application in the EIC pilot 19-2020. Of course, this pilot is a kind of a field trial to better orient the fully fledged European Innovation Council of the next 7 years. But in the meantime, we have a number of consistent number of course, an important allocation of budget, and some upcoming deadlines in the next few months. This is the reason why, as Access2EIC, we are going to develop and publish some tools, some products, some services. Some of them will be mainly focused on the Pathfinder, some other on the accelerator. As you can see here from this slide, this is the snapshot of products of Access2EIC. They will be developed and published in the next few weeks and months. Of course, all the products, all those outputs will be available on our website, Access2EIC website, downloadable for free. And of course, all the national contact points of your country will further disseminate those tools. Let me spend a few words more on some of them. We are going to release those products in the next few days and weeks. Let me start from the Pathfinder with specific reference to the FET Open and FET Proactive calls. We will develop soon this publication, including tips for successful application under FET Open and FET Proactive of the EIC Pathfinder, especially the FET National Contact Points daily deal with potential applicants, with beneficiaries. So what we are doing is to collect those feedbacks, those lessons learned, those best practices, both from the beneficiaries, but also from the evaluators, the experts of the European Commission. Furthermore, you know that the framework programs, edition after edition, the Horizon 2020, but also the next Horizon Europe, put a strong emphasis on the innovation, on how to develop, how to exploit a research result, how to go to the market with innovative products, services, business models, and so on. So, as Access2EIC, we are going to develop this toolbox, including 4 complementary tools, namely the Business Almanac, the Market Analysis, the IP Mapping Tool, the Scalability Index, and 1 unique methodology to help especially researchers or researchers who are going to start or a startup to better understand how to further exploit their R&D, their research results, and to better define the business partner towards the market. Last example, EIC Accelerator Annotated Template. Some of you, I think, already know the SME Instrument Annotated Template. This is a new version, an updated version based on the first. We interviewed the first companies selected for funding after the first 2 cutoffs of the EIC Accelerator. The same we did with the experts, with the evaluators, both the remote evaluators and the jury members for the interview. So in this publication, section by section of the template, including the Annex 4, including the pitch, we will try to better assist you and provide you useful tips on how to set up potentially successful applications and business ideas. In conclusion, as national contact points, we are, as usual, at your complete disposal to better advise you, to better understand and explore what are the best opportunities within Horizon 2020, specifically on the EIC pilot. What we can do, what we can offer as national contact points is also to bridge your requests, your questions towards the European Commission, the EIC task forces, to get further clarification. You know very well there is an FAQ document, for instance, which is a living document, so we can feed up with our requests, and of course, the replies, the clarification by the Commission, we can also feed up this kind of document. Those are our contacts, so let's keep in touch. Goodbye.